Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. We are from Group 2 and I'm one at AIDA and my partner is Malini. We will explain to you for Lab 1. The topic is transfer function and system response. So my partner will explain a little bit about it first.
Okay, thank you, Wan. So first, I will share screen for the topic of our first lab, which is transfer function and system response. So this lab is basically about using MATLAB and doing manual calculation to find out the transfer function for mechanical system and also electronic network. So the first part is part A is mechanical system, where we need to get the transfer function G1S and G2S for the system, given system, which is this one here. Okay, this system is a translation mechanical system. All right, so these two is what we have to find by manual calculation and also MATLAB coding. So this is the value which is given to us here. This is the value which is given to us, and using this value we must generate unit step response for both the transfer function G1S and G2S. And then we have to plot we have to use the same values to do on the Simulink software as well, and to make sure we get the same values. Okay, for the part B, we are supposed to do the transfer function for the electrical network. Okay, with the given input VT, output VL, and where VL is the inductor voltage. So these are the parameters which is given to us to do the coding and also the Simulink. And this is the diagram which is given to us. This is called a multiple loop electrical network. So we'll look further into the MATLAB. So my friend will be sharing her screen to show what is the output that we obtained.
Okay.
So,
Thank you, Malini.
can you share? Yeah.
So this is part A for mechanical system. For mechanical system that is given, we need to find the equivalent transfer function for the system. So we will use substitution for both equation using matrix method. Then the function will calculate it using MATLAB and Simulink software to obtain a graph. For MATLAB, this is the equation, and then the figure is obtained for this. And then for the Simulink, this is the Simulink part. The figure is obtained is same as the MATLAB software. Next, the part B, my friend Malini will continue.
Okay, can you share the screen one?
Okay.
Okay, for the part B, as you all can see, the first part we have declared all the values, given values, as I mentioned earlier, the resistor, capacitor, and inductor values. So here we are using the symbolic maths. So why we use symbolic maths is because this one helps us to perform the equation in the coding. So we have to use the symbolic maths, and then we are also declaring the matrix equations in the coding. As you can see, A2 equals to 1 and the whole equation is there with the matrix form. And then this is 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, and then that's all. So I think, one, can you run the...
Okay. So this is the figure that obtained from the MATLAB for part B. And for Simulink, we have obtained the same graph from the MATLAB and the Simulink. That's all from us. Thank you.
Okay, so before we end the session, I would like to conclude that we managed to achieve the objective that is stated in this lab by getting the transfer function the same for both MATLAB coding and also Simulink. So we have achieved the laboratory session successfully, and we have also done the report using the LaTeX. So we'll attach the YouTube video in the report. So that's all from us. Anything you'd like to say, Juan?
Nothing. Thank you.
Thank you.